Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to improve old YouTube videos with vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, you can go ahead and go to YouTube Studio and click on the specific video that you wanted to improve. For example, this one. Just click on Details. And then wait for YouTube or vidIQ right here to pop out. Okay, as you can see here, the title, the score is only 56. Okay, just wait for it. It says here, your title evokes frustration, hope, relief, clears what your video is about and what a viewer should watch. So you can go ahead and change this one. Just wait for these suggestions right here and from the descriptions as well. But I would highly suggest you, if you want to improve your old videos, you can go ahead and do that under vidIQ. Okay, so go ahead and click on Optimize right here. Go to your videos or shorts. So let's say, for example, I would like to optimize this video right here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on it and wait for the title suggestion. As you can see, I can go ahead and use this title. Click on it and it will automatically appear in here. So you can go ahead and click on Save Changes. Wait a bit, go to thumbnail and fix the thumbnail. So here are some feedbacks, okay? You can just go ahead and use this one or generate, okay? Or create with likeness or start from frame. So let's just go ahead and click on quick generate and just wait for the process to finish. And basically you can go ahead and describe your thumbnail idea from here. You can go ahead and use this one if you want to. If not, just leave it to what got the highest score. Now, let's move on to SEO. Here I have my description, okay, for this specific video. And the tags, you can regenerate this one or refine it using vidIQ AI. Now, let's go ahead and scroll down. And from the tag section, you go ahead and add in the tags that got greens or pale yellow or brown, whatever you want to call it, okay? So click on Save. And if you got the time, you can go ahead and click on preview right here. But click on preview, okay? You'll be able to find your video right here. So if you are on the viewer's shoes, okay? If you see this specific video, would you click it? That's the question. If yes, well, you're good to go. Save changes and automatically it will upload or update right here from your YouTube studio. All right, and that is how you improve old YouTube videos with vidIQ. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.